How to create a 3D paper dodecahedron with awesome KidCraft. The materials you'll need for this project are a template with a pentagon, a pencil, scissors, tape, and optionally, colored pencils. You'll also need a piece of cardstock paper. Your first step is to draw the dodecahedron net. Trace your pentagon template, and you'll see that you have a pentagon. Now continue tracing so that there are pentagons attached to each of the 5 sides of the original. This will form the base of your dodecahedron. Now, you need to create another dodecahedron base, but this one will be the top. As before, start with a pentagon, then continue with another pentagon, and go on all of the sides. Notice how there's 6 pentagons in each group, and a dodecahedron has 12 sides. Each of these will be a side of the dodecahedron. So there's 6 plus 6 equals 12. Optionally, you can create this dodecahedron so that it has transparent middle and it's see-through. If you want to do this, just draw smaller pentagons within the other pentagons. This will be extra work when cutting, but the final result will look amazing. Okay, so now there's another optional thing that you can do, which is color. Use your colored pencils, whatever color you choose, and color in each of the pentagons. Remember to leave the inside, if you chose to add another pentagon, blank, because you'll be cutting that one out at the final result. You don't want to waste your colored pencils. So now we'll need to cut out these pentagons. So first you'll just want to cut out the basic flower shape of them. So just cut, and you don't want to waste paper, so don't cut out too much. So now you'll want to cut out the holes. What you can do with this is gently fold it. Don't create a crease, just gently fold and snip inside there, and then continue cutting inside of the hole. Then just kind of outline it, and you will get the hole out there. And now this is only if you chose to create the holes. Of course, if you wanted to do it the easy way and not make holes, you don't need to go through this process. So there's one. Just have 11 more. So you have these cut out, but now you need to tape them. So first fold them inwards along this line, so that they all fold in, so that you'll be able to more easily tape them. So now, on each place where they intersect, take a small piece of tape and place it halfway on each side. So now these ones are taped together. Do that for all the rest, then for this side. So now you have these, the two halves, the top and the bottom. But how do they go together? Well, you'll have to look from the side. These go on top just like that. And now this is possibly the hardest part of the project, is taping those two together. All you'll really need to do is just take the piece of tape and, like you did before, apply some of it to one end, so it's half of it there. Then tape right there. And now you have one of the ends, so now it should be even easier to do all of the rest. So now you're all done with your new 3D dodecahedron.